How to change the delivery date in Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Amazon application, or you can just go to the Google Chrome and search for amazon.com and make sure that you're logged in. Then tap on the option of returns and orders at the top right corner. And you'll be able to see different orders that you have made over the period of time. So the method of actually rescheduling the delivery date depends on what stage your Amazon order is currently in during the delivery process. And though the shipping method may vary, meaning either Amazon or a third-party seller will arrange for the carrier of your product, it will just simply tell you some of the stages. So the first stage is the customer order on Amazon. The second is the seller receives an order notification from Amazon, and then the Amazon in an FBA arrangement or the seller in the FBM scheme processes the orders such as labeling, putting products in boxes, etc. And Amazon or the seller ships the products to the customer's house or receiving. So now take note of the four general stages just as I discussed, because since this will connect well with the next section of the video, which is all what you need to know to reschedule your delivery now. Now, assuming that your product is eligible for rescheduled delivery, before you can change your item's delivery date, you need to answer some of the questions such as until your delivery date and time during the checkout process, or is your product in the shipping stage of stage 4, as I told you earlier. The answer of yes to know that the question that I'd ask you will determine what you need to do to change your product's Amazon delivery. So what you have to do is by logging into your Amazon account using a Android device or a laptop or a desktop or through the Amazon app on your phone, you can generally modify your scheduled delivery depending on your answers to the two questions as I told you. If the answer is yes to both questions, and you have to contact Amazon customer service to find out what options are available. So you can change the Amazon delivery date, and you also have to follow the procedure. So if your yes applies only to the question number 2, as I told you earlier, so if you answer yes to question number 1 and no the question number 2, you could try this thing, and it is to proceed to the orders tab on the Amazon account and go to the amazon.com, log into your account, go to your order space, and once you go to your order space, find the order where you want to reschedule the delivery. And once you do, so just click on the change shipping speed button at the right hand side of the screen, so you can see the change shipping speed. And once you click on it, you can simply select another date and time. After you select that, you can select arrive by the second, and it gives you some other time, and you can also just go ahead and change that depending upon your wish. But hopefully this video has answered your question. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.